Hello, my name's Simon Meredith and I'm the headmaster at the British International School, Phuket. Today we're going to showcase some of the measures that we're putting in place for the safe return of students in August. First of all, we will be obtaining health and travel information from our community for the past 14 days. For those who have travelled outside Thailand recently, we ask you to check with the Thai Embassy for recommendations on entry and quarantine procedures. Entrances to the school will be equipped with thermal and facial recognition scanners for the safety of our community members. Anybody who is not well or has a temperature of over 37.5 will be advised to stay home and seek medical advice. We have prepared refectory and recreation spaces by following strict social distancing rules. Classes have been organised so that larger groups of students may be split into smaller groups during the upcoming academic year. There are now new socially distanced pick-up points and waiting areas in the main car park, outside the primary hall and at other locations. The cleaning staff will deep clean and disinfect all the school buildings and facilities every day. We have placed alcohol hand sanitizer stations in every classroom, office and public area around the school. Posters and videos to promote basic understanding of the COVID-19 virus are visible all over the school. Stickers to encourage social distancing are placed wherever required to ensure the safety of our community. Our extracurricular offerings will continue this year with a focus on activities which allow for social distancing. Our school buses will be disinfected after every use. The drivers will provide hand sanitizer and perform temperature checks before each student enters the bus. Please remember, when entering the campus, it is compulsory to wear a face mask. Please follow these safety measures which have been put in place for your well-being. I look forward to seeing you all in August. Stay safe and stay healthy.